holes in here. You can't see them, but they look like they're plugged up. I'm going to go ahead and get them unplugged up and just put it together. So anyway, this is part one of this craftsman tiller, 4-cycle craftsman tiller. I'm going to go ahead and clean all these up, but they'll be in a different video, and I'll put it back together. Got to make a couple of gaskets and stuff, and got to get a little hose or anything that I broke. I need to get a new one, but that's okay. And I need to get some gas lines, and that will be it for this. But I'm going to go ahead and do that later. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. Please leave me a comment if you like. Please tell all your friends about me, and tell them about this. If you feel like you've learned something, or you feel like you've kind of learned a little bit, and you feel that this is a pretty good video and everything, please tell your friends. Please subscribe, and I will go ahead and see you later from Joe's Small Engine Repair. Thank you.